This is a refrigerator. A refrigerator keeps food and drinks cold and fresh.
This is a refrigerator.
This is a microwave oven. A microwave oven helps heat food quickly.
This is a microwave oven.
This is an electric kettle. An electric kettle boils water quickly.
This is an electric kettle.
This is a mixer grinder. A mixer grinder grinds fruits, vegetables and spices.
This is a mixer grinder.
This is a toaster. A toaster makes bread crispy and delicious.
This is a toaster.
This is an induction cooktop. An induction cooktop cooks food using electricity.
This is an induction cooktop.
This is a rice cooker. A rice cooker cooks rice easily and perfectly.
This is a rice cooker.
This is a juicer. A juicer makes fresh fruit juice.
This is a juicer.
This is a blender. A blender makes milkshakes and smoothies.
This is a blender.
This is a chimney. A chimney removes smoke and cooking odors from the kitchen.
This is a chimney.
This is a dishwasher. A dishwasher cleans dirty dishes automatically.
This is a dishwasher.
This is an air fryer. An air fryer cooks food with little oil.
This is an air fryer.
This is a coffee maker. A coffee maker prepares coffee quickly.
This is a coffee maker.
This is a water purifier. A water purifier provides clean drinking water.
This is a water purifier.
This is an electric roti maker. An electric roti maker makes rotis quickly
This is
and
an
easily.
electric roti maker.
This is a food processor. A food processor helps chop, slice
This
and
is a
fix
food processor.
This is an electric egg boiler. An electric egg boiler boils eggs easily.
This is an electric egg boiler.
This is a sandwich maker. A sandwich maker makes tasty sandwiches.
This is a sandwich maker.
This is a hand mixer. A hand mixer helps mix cake batter and cream.
This is a hand mixer.
This is an electric stove. An electric stove cooks food using electricity.
This is an electric stove.
Which electronic appliance did you like the most? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.